Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm your name, and today we're diving into a hot topic in the real estate world that's been making waves: real estate wholesaling. Now, I know it might sound a bit confusing, especially if you're not familiar with the ins and outs of real estate, but don't worry. We're here to break it down for you. So, is real estate wholesaling legal? Let's find out. But before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's tackle the big question: is it legal? Well, the answer is, it depends. There are several factors that we need to consider. So, let's explore this topic together. First off, what exactly is real estate wholesaling? In simple terms, wholesaling is a strategy where an individual, known as a wholesaler, finds a property, typically one that's distressed or undervalued, and enters into a contract to purchase it. However, instead of buying the property outright, the wholesaler then sells the contract to another buyer, usually an investor, for a fee. This allows the wholesaler to make a profit without ever owning the property themselves. Now, you might be wondering, how do I know if this is legal? The legality of wholesaling varies from state to state and even city to city. In many places, wholesaling is legal as long as you follow certain guidelines and regulations. For instance, in some states like Florida and Texas, you can legally wholesale properties as long as you have a signed contract with the seller and disclose your intentions to the buyer. In these states, it's essential to ensure that you're not acting as a real estate agent without a license, which is a common pitfall for many new wholesalers. According to the National Association of Realtors, in 2020, nearly 15% of all real estate transactions involved wholesalers. This shows that many people are successfully engaging in this practice, but it's crucial to stay informed about the legal framework in your area. Now, let's talk about some potential legal issues that can arise with wholesaling. One major concern is the issue of licensing. In several states, if you're acting as a middleman and earning a profit from the sale of a property, you may need a real estate license. This is often the case in states like California and Illinois, where the laws are stricter. For example, in California, if you are acting as a wholesaler, you must have a real estate license unless you are just assigning the contract without negotiating the price. If you're found to be wholesaling without the appropriate license, you could face fines and legal action. So, it's imperative to check your local laws and, if necessary, consult with a real estate attorney to ensure you're on the right side of the law. Another important aspect is the importance of transparency. When wholesaling, you must be honest about your role in the transaction. Misleading any party involved can lead to legal trouble. Always disclose that you are a wholesaler and your intentions to sell the contract to another buyer. For instance, if you find a distressed property and negotiate a contract for $150,000, but you plan to sell the contract for $170,000, it's essential to be upfront with your buyer about your position. Not only is this the right thing to do, but it also helps you build trust and credibility in the industry. Now, let's touch on the financial side of wholesaling. Many people are attracted to wholesaling because it requires little upfront capital. You don't need to purchase the property, so your financial risk is significantly lower compared to traditional real estate investing. However, it's essential to have a good understanding of the market and property values to ensure you're making informed decisions. A survey by BiggerPockets in 2021 found that successful wholesalers reported an average profit of $10,000 to $20,000 per deal, demonstrating that with the right knowledge and approach, wholesaling can be a lucrative venture. In summary, real estate wholesaling can be a legal and profitable business model if done correctly. Remember, the legality of wholesaling depends on your specific location, so always do your homework and consult with professionals if you're unsure. If you're considering getting into wholesaling, focus on building your knowledge, maintaining transparency, and understanding the legal requirements in your area. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more real estate insights. And if you have any questions or personal experiences with wholesaling, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing!